What's good, y'all? I'm starting this video halfway through the day today because this morning I woke up at 7:30. I was supposed to be here at 8. So you already know I was scrambling, trying to get here, trying to stay on time for my appointments as well. But I just finished up lunch, and now we got our second half of the day. I have about 5 more. So, you know, I have time to pull on my camera and film. Know what I'm saying? As you can see, I made the choice of wearing a hoodie today. I mean, granted, you know, I got ready late. Let me move this mic. Granted, I got ready late and was scrambling to put stuff on, but I chose a hoodie. And like I said in previous videos, man, when I wear a hoodie, I almost always regret it just because it gets hot. It starts itching on my sleeves. But, you know, we got to put that on today. We got the Larry June in honor of Larry June dropping last night, as well as Drake, man. So it's a good day. We got some new music to listen to. I'm about to get ready to rock out the rest of my day. So I'm going to bring y'all with me. Let's get it. But before we start this video, I had to show you that new that we got. We got our new JRLs. Listen, I've been waiting for these because the barber plug promised to send me these back in July, and they never did. But when I just went down to collab with Marty Blends, I went ahead and picked these up at the barber plug. Head there, use code Dre Clipperhands at checkout for a nice little discount. I got you. I think it's like 10-15% off your order. You know what I'm saying? So use code Dre Clipperhands. Go ahead and pick these up. These are fire. Stay tuned for the reviews. I got reviews on 3 clippers coming up. I know I haven't done it in a while, but I'm about to go ahead and get y'all right, put you on game. So be on the lookout for that. So I don't know if it's just me, but no matter who the haircut is, even if I've cut them before, I kind of always get a little nervous before I do a haircut. I know a lot of you guys are probably like, bro, what? Drake gets nervous? But yeah, I'm not going to lie. I get a little nervous, bro. But I think that's a good thing. I think that's the reason why I do, you know, so well in cutting hairs, because I always got a little like doubt in myself, you know, so I feel like I got to show out every time. But we about to get this day going. Our first one is my man Christian. We about to get him right. Dang, you ain't tell me I had a big old booger sticking on my nose. Let me actually wash my hands before it gets in here. Yo. Brother man, what's up? How are you? Good, good. I was surprised to see Colin walk in here this morning.
I only switched with him last night.
Yeah, he told me because you go to bed at 4 a.m.
Well, you know the funny thing.
Oh, I got you. Sorry.
I woke up at 7 o'clock this morning.
Bro, how?
It's like randomly.
Because I woke up super late.
What time do you normally come in?
8.
Oh. No.
Yeah, 8 a.m. So cool. What would you like to do?
Probably same as what I usually do. Just like
taper.
Take a little bit of length off. Not like a lot. I think we normally do like a half, like maybe a half or quarter or half inch.
Yeah, it's been like a month since you came in.
Yeah.
So like what, like that right there?
Yeah, that's probably good.
That's like a half an inch.
Yeah, cause I don't mind even if it was like a little bit longer, it doesn't really bother me that much. But
and then the taper, you want to lower down the sides, tighten it up a little bit.
Yep, we'll just do that, and then.
How about here?
I took my beard down like maybe a week or so ago, just like lengthwise.
Yeah.
So I don't really need to just line it up. You
and blend into it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got you.
Blend-ins.
Cool. Ooh, I promise you're not dirty. I just keep getting hair splinters, like on the side right here. You see?
Yeah. No.
So I'm gonna put gloves on. Them joints hurt, bro.
That's no fun.
I promise you're not dirty.
Yeah.
That was just bad timing. I was like, dang. I brought up that and now I'm putting gloves on. Terrible timing, actually.
How things been for you?
Everything's been pretty good, bro.
That's good.
Yeah, pretty consistent this way.
Yeah.
Went to Dallas last weekend.
Oh, really?
So that was fun.
Were you doing like
I collabed with another YouTuber.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and we hosted our first meet and greet, bro. We had a good amount of people pull up.
Dang.
We had like 60 people, bro.
That's what's up.
So that was pretty fun.
Is there a lot of barbers showing up?
Yeah, it's almost all barbers, you know what I'm saying? So
like people asking for advice and stuff.
Advice, you know, just Want to take a pic, talk.
No, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good turnout.
Yeah, for real. And it was one day notice. We didn't plan it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we posted it, and we were like, hey, tomorrow we're doing this. And we had 60 people pull up, bro.
I mean, you announced something like that way ahead of time. You would have got.
I think we could have pulled a couple hundred, bro.
Yeah.
I don't like anything before TSA. After TSA, I'm good.
Yeah.
I could just walk around, chill.
Once you're walking around, that's fine. And then another thing I don't like is if you get a seat on the plane that's like way in the back.
Oh,
you gotta wait
yeah.
for everybody to get their bags and like walk off. And
I hate when people stand up, bro.
Yeah.
I'm like, fam, you're just not gonna go any faster, bro.
You're in like row 30 and people stand up right away. You're like, dude, where do you think you're going? Should we upgraded our flight, me and my brother, on our way back?
To what?
Just the extra leg room.
Oh, nice.
So
Your brother don't need it. Right. Short, so.
We were the first row behind first class.
Oh, nice.
So it was like.
You felt like you was first class for real.
Nah, because when you're sitting behind first class and they bring out like those pasta dishes that they're serving them up there, you're like, man, I can see you guys. Just bring some food back in.
Right, for us peasants.
They're like, I mean, it is what it is.
In my opinion, bro, my hairline is my biggest insecurity. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah, I mean, I think that I would, like it a lot more just in terms of styling my hair, because I used to have my hair where I could
Yeah.
swoop it up in the front and like the whole front would look like good across the board, and then now it's like I just have like this area
The corners.
on the sides where
Yeah.
I'm like,
To get that hair transplant, I'd get it. If I get big bread, like big bread, I go to somebody real good. I'd get a hair transplant.
Take me down to
Dude, I was just at Chipotle on my lunch. And bro, a girl, she was a middle-aged lady, but she was on the older side. Bro, her BBL looked like 2 balloons, bruh.
I never understand that.
It was crazy. I said, if you don't get it, go to somebody good.
It's like their proportions. Yeah, they get that technology advanced enough around like hair stuff to where they could just like get it done painless.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know.
And once you get a hair transplant, it's kind of like you have it forever for the most part.
Yeah, because it's just like the follicles are just in there. Ain't it that they take it from like the back of your head and stuff?
Because most people don't go bald on the sides or in the back, like ever. So they'll pull from there, and they'll implant them in the areas where you need them. Usually the corners, the front, the top.
I don't know, the bald.
I know, and a lot of surgeons, when they do it, they try to keep it natural looking. I'm gonna be like, bro, I'm paying $12,000. Put my hairline right here, bro, right by my eyebrows.
Hey.
Maybe you go all the way back.
Yup.
Buenas noches. You want to clean up the eyebrows a little bit?
Yeah, definitely. I try to keep them cleaned up as good as I can.
Yeah, it can be difficult sometimes.
I'm not good with a straight razor myself.
Yeah.
Is it harder for you to use the straight razor on yourself than like using it on other people?
It can be tricky. Yeah.
I've always kind of like, man, I
certain
never get it at the right angle.
Yeah, certain angles are more difficult than others.
Especially like doing eyebrows, because you're like
Your eyes halfway closed too.
Yeah.
Did you want to put product in the top, or do you want to keep that natural too?
I mean, you could put a little bit in it.
Okay, I got you. Some more matte, or do you want it to look like more like wet and shiny? You want it more like dry looking?
Dry looking, yeah. Let's do that.
Okay, I got you.
I just seen some videos from my like my memories.
It's the one? Yes, sir. Thank you, bro. It's a little bit of alcohol already.
Yep.
Welcome back, sir. Appreciate you. Sound like an android, my brother. You can answer that if you got to.
I don't even know what number this is.
You want to answer it? I've been getting spam calls all week.
I just got this number too. I haven't even gave my parents one. I'm like, I gotta call them. That shit reminded me.
You gonna tuck in your lip? right? Ain't that currency?
I don't know.
Okay. Buenas noches. It's because you came straight out the shower. La barba es limpia. Limpio, sorry, not ah.
Oh, this shit. Damn.
That beard hitting today, bro.
Yeah, it did.
For real, I don't know what it is. Alcohol, ready? All right, Big Money Royce. Welcome back, bro. I feel like a surgeon. Gotta put something more appropriate on. Hey Siri, text Grant Delpit. I'm running 15 minutes behind.
Okay, I'll send your message.
That's a gem. If you're ever running behind, let the Lex client know that. What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
What's up?
How are you?
Alright. Good, man.
Cool. So what would you like to do?
Your part is there. The same thing. This time no part.
No part? Did we do a part last time?
Yeah, he said.
Oh, okay. So you want to blend it out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just the same thing.
But what about the top?
Just keep it.
Okay. I got you. Why you want to blend the part out? You don't like the way it grows back?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm surprised he ain't say nothing.
He probably don't know what you're talking about.
Bad.
Are you okay, buddy?
Irritating.
Gonna put your head up?
Jaden, stop.
Like a Ninja Turtle? You gonna be like a Ninja Turtle? Okay, go put your head up, bro. Bro, these are hard to put on when your hands are already sweaty.
You got to wait.
What does he want?
He tired.
Oh, you want to lay down? I'll do your haircut quick, okay? But you gotta sit still. So that way you're not sitting here for too long.
You just can't. I saw your page. You just came back from out of town.
Yeah, I came back on Tuesday. I was in Dallas.
Hey.
Yeah, it was
I saw
fun.
you see my text? I said.
I seen it when I went to go message you back last night. Yeah. Yeah, no, it was crazy, bro. I didn't expect that many people to show up.
Hey.
That was wild.
And then you was signing autographs too?
Yeah, you seen that? Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy.
Wow, like that. That's tight, man. Dang. I mean, your videos be looking tight. You make them like, you can tell you put work in your videos.
Dude, a lot.
Are you still friends with my daddy?
Of course. Are we still friends?
I'm tired.
What does that mean? I asked if we're friends, not if you're tired. If we're not friends, I'm gonna stop your haircut like this. This one's pretty cool. You wanna see something dope?
What?
This one looks like spider webs. Watch. Look. You see that?
Yeah.
Look, watch again.
Sound like Venom.
A little bit. It was.
Yeah, I want that.
It's
When
old.
you say that, I like to look at the mirror. Dad, what kind of hair you want?
Same as yours. What am I gonna eat for dinner?
Yes.
Something. That didn't burn, right?
No.
Good. Welcome back, sir.
What is on my phone?
All right, bro. What can I do for you?
Same
So you
thing.
want to try it a little tighter then?
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna turn you around so you can show me where you think it'll be. It's at. Like right behind your ear, like this area.
Yeah.
Okay.
I probably gonna get it like that same size too.
Okay, I got you. Because the reason you want to take it higher is because you don't want him to shave it and leave a line.
Right.
So we got to take the bald line a little higher. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
That's all it is. So that means like a little tighter in here
Okay.
instead of it being super wide.
Alright.
You know?
Yeah.
Is that cool? Okay. Did you want to leave the length on top this time?
Yeah.
His hair on top looks so good, bro. Every time I cut it, I be like, man, that's fire. See? Just a little bit of curl. So you see, your tattoo would be like right here, wherever you wanted it.
Dad, she's not answering.
I'll see it.
Dad, she's not stubborn.
There you go, sir. So what I gotta do is hurry up because I just finished, and wifey made it known this week that she wants me home when I'm done, and I'm running super behind because I added one to the end of the day. But I'm gonna hurry up and take this thumbnail picture because I actually found someone to edit thumbnails for me to really take it to like a whole nother level. And this is for the review on the new JRLs compared to the old one. So I'm excited to film this. Let's get it. Stop the screen. Let's do the black one first. Cool. Let me see how that one came out. Y'all getting a behind the scenes view of what it looks like. All right. Now we're gonna do the gold one. Okay. Cool. So I'm excited to see how those come out. What I did is I had found a couple examples of like what I was looking for and also the work that the thumbnail person already had been doing, or the editor had already been doing. And that's kind of what I told him I was looking for, you know what I'm saying? So I'm excited to see how those come out. Let's get out of here and head home. Ooh, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, I'm tired. Let's go. Hey Siri, call wifey. Bro, why not?
Calling wifey.
There we go.
Hey, boo.
Hey boo.
I'm picking up my Walmart order.
You just left your parents? But right now we're just on our way home. It's about 6:30. This morning I started at 8, but like I said, I woke up so I wasn't able, you know, to record the first half of the day. And that's all right, you know what I'm saying? Some days, you know, if you wake up, it's not okay to be late to your appointments. That's what I'm saying. But sometimes it's okay to not be at your A game, right? You're gonna have days where, you know, you're not at your best. You're not batting 100, you know what I'm saying? But that's when you keep pushing, you keep going. We started off slow at the beginning of the day, but we ended strong. But like I said, I'm almost home, man. I'm almost home, and I'm feeling real good. This past weekend, I just came back from a trip where I went to collab on content with Marty Blends, like I was telling you in the last video. And we had an amazing, fun weekend. It's cool to get together with another YouTuber and just kick it, make content, film, and just inspire each other, you know what I'm saying? So be on the lookout for those videos. Those should be out soon. They're gonna be on his channel. We did a lot of challenge videos and whatnot, so be on the lookout for those. But I just pulled back home. I'm about to call it a night, help wifey get these groceries in the house. But like always, I appreciate y'all, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.